KNW stock analysis for next week and onward Tuesday, where I'm breaking down my exact play and everything. What we saw today is absolutely parabolic, because my whole idea and bias on this was, you know, to double down, sort of take it up. Pre-market, boom, we opened like 347 from 156. Is there still more juice to just juice it up, right? Well, yeah, if I do see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of like a shift or a double break. And if there's no sort of shift, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. Like, really that simple. You know, I'm obviously waiting for my rules to be met. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, then just, yeah, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. You can see even in the Discord, there's a receipt. And if you do want to learn how I'm making that, get my free insights, first link below. Goodbye.